Okay, this is 16016 West Vogel Avenue in Goodyear. List price is $84,900. It's 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1570 square feet. It is in South Goodyear. It has an RV gate here on the side. It's been on the market for 62 days. And it has real hardwood floor. As you walk in, it has a formal living area. And as you can see, this is actual real hardwood floor. Or bamboo floor, one of the two. And a nice pot shelf there. Vaulted ceilings, and you walk into the main living and dining area, again with a vaulted ceiling. And into the kitchen with nice cabinets and diagonally laid tile. The washer and dryer are already here. And the garage has a ceiling fan. And the garage door opener is still there. Here's what you look at as you look out over the kitchen area, overlooking both the living and the dining. And here you can see there's a plant shelf here, again in this room. And a back patio that is in the shade. Right now it's 5:30 in the evening. So a pretty low maintenance backyard. And it has a nice circular patio for a table and chairs. Right here. And then again the RV area. So a little bit of a shelf there. As we go back across here, you can see that the patio is covered there. And go back in. So again, the hardwood in all of the traffic areas. And down the hallway, down that way, and you have the bedrooms all lined up here with a ceiling fan. Right there. You have a ceiling fan there, and bathroom number 1. Then here right next to you, you have a bedroom with a vaulted ceiling. Some carpet damage, so you might want to replace the carpet here. But you can see the closet and the vaulted ceiling. And then in the master, you have a ceiling fan. A single closet there on the right. There. And then you have this single bathroom. Very much smaller master. So again, this is 16016 West Vogel in Goodyear, 85338. The list price is $84,900. It's 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1570 square feet. Oh, I'm sorry, the door with a nice pattern there. Definitely not a standard door. And another view of the neighborhood. You do have 1 2-story there next to you. And then a single level on the other side. And just barely a view of the mountain there